So you're finding how to enter short-term rental license number on Airbnb. So in this video, I will show you a really fast way on how to enter short-term rental license number on your Airbnb. So this is a very hard box to find. However, I've been digging up, some information on this forum right here. And as you can see, this basically, person, which is called Vivian. So thank you, Vivian, for this. But she basically, showed us how to enter short-term rental license number on Airbnb. So as you can see, you need to go to the edit listing, and you need to obviously select the listing, right, that you want to edit listing, and then you have policies and rules. And then as you can see, you can scroll down to local laws and click view. Here you can enter under the license or registration number, you can enter your short-term rental license number on Airbnb. Now, if for some reason you can't find this, and if for some reason you're in different country, maybe you have different laws, then what I would do is I would definitely go and contact Airbnb help center and support automatically, or in this case manually, and then I would basically go and see with them where this particular like number or registration number to fill in is, and then I would definitely go from there. But this is pretty much how to do it. This is how you solve it. But if you have any other questions or comments, you can comment down below, and we'll see you in the next Airbnb video tutorial and guide. Thank you guys for watching.